Hello, Utah here with a video on the explanation of the Dokokara ka drill. Right. This drill is necessary for you to be able to play the main phrase and the river section nicely and in a fairly good tempo. Okay, we're going to be using the other section of the one and a drill, specifically line 2 and line 3. Line 2 is where the right hand is accented always. Line 3 is where the left hand is accented. So using that, let's just try to play 4 of each line. 4 of each line. Totsu, totsu, ichi, ni, iso, o, re. And 1 e, and 2 e, and 4 e. Switching. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. Next step, we're going to substitute a ka where we're hitting the rim instead of the accent. Okay, we'll do that again next time with the kas. Ich, ni, iso, o, re, 1 e, and 2 e, and 3 e, and 4 e. Switch. 1 e, and 2 and 3 e, and 4 e, and okay. And then similar to what we did in the 1E and a drill, we're going to do each line 4 times, just like we did right now, 4 times. And then 2 times, and since it's half, we'll do that double the length. And then 1 times of each line, and then we'll do that 4 sets. This time we're also going to add a 3/4 section where we're taking out the 2's in between from the right to the left. And it's going to go ka, tsu, ka, tsu, ka as a set. Okay. So again, 4 times 1, 2 times 2, 1 times 4, and then 3/4 times 4. We'll do this slowly. Katsu, katsu, so, o, re, and 1, 2 e, and 3 e, and 4 e. Switching over. 1 e, and 2, and 3 e, and 4. Twice each. 1 e, and 2 e. Switching. 1. We'll do this again. 1 e and 2 e and 1 e and 2. 1 times each. 1 e and 2 and 1 e and 2 and 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so using that structure that we just did with the kas, we're going to add movement, or the flippy is what I call it. This flip is attained by putting the hand above the center of the drum, okay, and then aiming for 2 o'clock and 10 o'clock with the kas, trying to keep your hand in its location without moving, so just flipping. If you move it, it doesn't get the effect. So just let it sit there and flip. Okay, the other arm should be playing a tsu most of the times, and that's going to be closer to you instead of trying to hit the center. Because if you hit the center, then you'll be hitting your hand, so you want it close. So look. Okay, if you distance yourself from the drum like this, and you put one shoulder forward, the other hand will naturally get to that position. So now, putting it through the whole structure that we just did earlier, 4 times each, 2 times each, 1 times each, 3/4 times each, we're going to start with the right hand, and it's going to come from the outside. The left hand will come from the outside too, so let's start on the left. So if you get confused, make sure your right comes from the right, the left comes from the left. It goes in. Okay, ready? Katsu, katsu, so, o, re. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. Twice each. 2 and 1. 2 again. 1 and 2 e and 1. 1 times each. 1 e and 2 again. 1 e and 3/4. Second one. 3, 4. All right. Okay, please follow the Dokokara ka drill video so that you could start slowly and improve your speed and tempo and your technique. Until next time.